Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create and customize navigation menus here in Google Sites. Now, do not worry if you're a first timer in using this software, you're a beginner, or in general, you're just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, or you're not very proficient in using this software. Because I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how you can create and customize your navigation bar here in Google Sites. Now, having a good navigation bar is very important in Google Sites, especially if you have multiple, let's say, for example, um, pages like this one, like services, about us, contact us, and home. And I will be showing you how you can customize these to your likings. Now, as you can see right now, I have here a Google Sites sample file in which I already made a tutorial, a beginner's step-by-step guide on how you can be proficient in using the basic features and functions of this website. So you might want to check it out on our YouTube channel. And we also have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sites tutorial on our YouTube channel as well. Now, to set up your navigation bar, I want you to create a new sites in which you can do by typing this sites.new to your search bar. And as you can see, we are currently in a new scratch file, but right here, as you can see, we do not have a navigation bar. And one thing that you can do to create or set up your navigation bar is to head over to the right sidebar of your screen and head over to the pages section right over here. And now, as you can see, currently we have the home page right here, which is the default page of our Google site. Now, to add another page, all you have to do is to click on the plus icon and name the page that you would like to add. Let's say, for example, about us. Click enter. And now, as you can see, we have two pages right here. We have the home and about us. And I will just add all of these services, press, and articles. There you go. Now, as you can see right here, they are not arranged to my likings. I want the contact us to be at the very bottom. And one thing that we can rearrange those is by clicking on it and dragging it to the bottom, like so. And now let's arrange it. Services will be in the second one, right here. Then about us, present. There you go. Now we have created a navigation panel right over here. Now, how can we nest? How can we nest these navigation bars? Let's say, for example, here at Contact Us, under the Contact Us tab, I want to have a separate tab under it that is named email, contact number, and many more, or location. First, I will create pages for that, which is named email, telephone number, maps. Now I want to place these tabs under the Contact Us tab. Now all I have to do is to click on those tabs or pages right here and drag it on top of the Contact Us page, like so. And now, as you can see, it creates some sort of nesting underneath it. So I will put the email as well and the telephone number on it. And now, as you can see right here, we have a drop down under the Contact Us tab or page. Now, this is all going cool and all, but how can we change its theme to make it look more appealing? You can select your theme right here, over here, and as you can see, as I browse the theme, it actually changes the navigation bar as well. So let's say, for example, right here, we got separation when it comes to dots. So I'm satisfied with this one. But now, let's say, for example, I want it to be placed on my left side instead of the very top. All I have to do is click on the gear icon right over here. And from here, you can see you can modify your navigation bar if you want it at the very top or at the side, like this. See, now it's more slick and it looks more minimal and professional. You can also change its color to white if you wish, like so. or black like that. But as for my case, I want to keep it at transparent, just because it looks more professional and more appealing to me. And as you can see, if I preview my website, right here we have the navigation bar at the side. This is what it should look like if you're using a tablet. When you're using a phone, we have successfully created and customized our navigation bar. And that wraps it up for today's video. If you did learn something, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, dropping a like, and leaving a comment down below for your suggestions on whatever you want to see from us next. And I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.